Here's a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe. Comfortable for people, spacious for cargo, and styled to lift standards. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AC power outlet, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Of Hyundai, Kelley Blue Book writes, "The Korean manufacturers have improved quality over the years, but still have to entice buyers with good value and an excellent warranty. The Santa Fe has both." Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.